Encapsulation means keeping data and the code that works on it together while hiding the internal details. You interact with the object through control methods, protecting its inner state. The benefits are huge. Data protection means private fields cannot be corrupted by external code. Easier maintenance because you can change internal implementation without breaking code that uses your class. Controlled access through properties and methods means you validate data and enforce business rules at the entry points. Here's a practical example. A bank account class hides the balance field as private and provides deposit and withdrawal methods. You cannot accidentally set the balance to a negative value because the methods prevent invalid operations. The internal state stays consistent because all access goes through controlled pathways. Good encapsulation equals stable, maintainable code. You hide complexity behind simple interfaces and expose only what user needs.